Friends, how are you? You're welcome in this Bhakti Puja Part 1 के channel. And now we are talking about Dev Diwali 2020 2024. Pradosh Kal Muhurat rituals to worship Lord Shiva, Deepdan in Varanasi and more. Now, Dev Diwali, also known as Dev Deepavali, is one of the most auspicious festival in Hinduism, celebrated with immense enthusiasm and devotion. It falls on the Purnima Tithi in the month of Kartik. This year, Dev Diwali will be celebrated on November 15. The festival is particularly significant in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, where millions of devotees gather to mark the occasion. Now, the Diwali key dates and timing. Purnima Tithi begins November 15. Purnima Tithi ends November 16. Pradosh Kal Dev Deepavali Muhurat November 15 to 5 to 10 pm to 7 to 45 pm. Significance of Dev Diwali. Dev Diwali celebrated the victory of Lord Shiva over the demon Triparasur. It is a day of spiritual significance and divine strength. According to Hindu mythology, it is believed that on the sacred day, all the gods and goddesses descended to earth, gathering in the holy city in Varanasi to honor Lord Shiva's victory. The festival marks a time when the divine energy is said to be at its peak, making it one of the most reserved occasions in the Hindu calendar. In Varanasi, the city is illuminated with lakes of diya, oil lamps as people decorated their homes, streets and temples with light. This creates a spectacular sight with the Ganga Ghat becoming the center of celebration. The festival is especially significant in Varanasi, where thousands of the devotees walk to the Ghat, perform prayer and offer deep dance into the river of creating in ethereal and spirituality charged atmosphere. Dev Diwali rituals and celebrations. Now, Dev Diwali is celebrated on Kartik Purnima, a day regarded as one of the holiest and for performing various puja rituals. Devotees engage in various spiritual activities, including taking a dip in the sacred Ganga river, offering prayers to Lord Vishnu for prosperity, and fasting to mark the occasion. It is also a time of honor Lord Shiva for his triumph over Triparasur. People light diyas, perform pujas, and take part in rituals that symbolize the removal of darkness and the ushering in the light of the and wisdom. The city of Varanasi sees an influence of pilgrims who takes part in the celebrations, including the famous Deepdan ceremony. Devotees light thousands of diya and float them on the river of Ganga, creating an mesmerizing scene of lights reflecting on the water. The festival serves as a reminder of the eternal victory of good over evil and the importance of faith, devotions and spirituality. The Pradosh Kal Dev Diwali Muhurat is on November 15 from 5:10 pm to 7:47 pm. It is considered the most auspicious time to perform prayer and rituals, particular for those observing the fast and taking part in the Deepdan. Why Varanasi is the heart of Dev Diwali? While Dev Diwali is celebrated across India, Varanasi stands out as the epicenter of the festivity. The city's connections to Lord Shiva, combined with the spiritual heritage, makes it the most significant location for Dev Diwali. The grandeur of the Ganga Ghat and the sight of thousands of lights floating on the river create an atmosphere unmatched anywhere else in the country. Every year, millions of pilgrims and locals take part in the spiritual rituals, transforming Varanasi into a divine spectacle. The day of marked by prayers, celebrations, and a shared sense of collective reverence for the divine celebrated the spirit of Dev Diwali. Dev Diwali is a time of spiritual renewal, faith, and the celebration of divine victories. Whatever you are in Varanasi or elsewhere, the day offers an opportunity for devotions, reflections, and participation in the grand traditions and that behind the Hindu community across the globe. With millions of the diyas lighting up the night and prayers echoing through the air, Dev Diwali remains one of the most cherished festival in Hindu culture. Thank you. And please like, subscribe, share in my channel. Thank you very much.